hard! Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Yeah. Hi!
Shut up, troll.
Shut up!
Hey, guys, you're hella loud.
Honk your horn! Honk your horn!
Hey, we're not in Hawaii, guys.
Hi, Hi, Gabe. Hi, Alexis. Wait, watch when I make. Wait, I can't see.
Watch when I make what?
Hey!
Shut up, troll. You shut up. Come over here and do something then.
Look at
That
Karla.
cat's out of my face.
Look at our shadows! Woo!
Don't flip people off.
I'm not. I'm flipping the ground off. But it's just like. Woo! Honk your horn! Honk, you son of a bitch. He was a skater boy! She says to you later, boy!
There's another car coming. It's the red one.
No! He said no! He refused!
There's another one. Hey, he came back. He came back.
Fall! Fall! Fall in your face! Fall! 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 You hands!
Christian, you faggot!
I can pedal more than that on my pencil.
Who are those? That's Vicky and somebody else. That's not Vicky.
Is it? No.
Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Hey, take a picture of that and then you can zoom in. Who is that? Who is that? Who are you? Honk your
Honk, bitch!
I want to go with them.
It's not my camera.
Yeah, walk this side. I want to see who it is.
You know what my uncle says? Never mind, I'm not even gonna say it. Oh yeah, do it again. Honk. Oh. My uncle says honk if you're horny. Yeah.
I'm gonna put my foot.
You know we're recording, right?
Oh, this is horn.
Hey, Catalina!
Ew.
Catalina! Oh, you know this is TMZ.
I don't like her. Just go away.
Okay, are you having an affair with Taylor Swift?
With Taylor Swift? Why would I have an affair with a girl?
Because I heard you said she's hot.
Your dad.
No, she looks like a white Chinese person.
Okay, so I heard you having an affair with Trey Songz.
What the hell?
Drink your soda. Yeah, keep drinking the soda. Yeah, that's nice.
Can you take a picture of that?
No, we're recording. I already got you. Yeah, drink the soda, Mia. Drink it, drink it, drink it. Chug!
What does it say?
Horn! Horn!
I only found a pink marker.
Gotcha.
Because you can have the paper.
Super different.
Honk your horn.
No, we should spell out. My mom's coming.
It's not even 6 yet.
Honk your horn!
Honk your horn! Honk it! Ah, you faggot! Honk your horn! Honk your horn! That wave! Yeah! Woo! Oh, I saw you flip that
I'll put up
camera.
gang signs on you.
I dare you.
It's a Mini Cooper! It's a Mini Cooper! That's my grandpa! Yes!
Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Yeah!
That's my grandpa, my
I'll
uncle.
him too.
That's my grandpa. Why shouldn't I go home tomorrow?
Honk your horn! Honk! Yeah! Whoa! Where are you two going? Woo!
Tomorrow.
Whoa! What you guys doing over there? Woo! Go, Alexis!
Tomorrow, because they're probably going somewhere.
Work that corner.
No, he's over there with that girl.
Honk your horn!
Honk your horn! Woo!
That was a good honk. That was the best honk of the car.
So, Alexis, what were you doing over there? You gotta admit it sometime.
Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Yeah! No, that's Monica? Why are they leaving?
That was like her look. She's like,
Where's Karla? Oh, there you are, Karla. Birthday hits! I know. Oh, yeah, you got you. Never mind.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, what time are you leaving, people? It's not very nice.
who said I was mean?